Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Just wanted to make a quick video before I go to work out in the bathroom right now. But before I start the video, I do want to say if you want to join the Patreon, go to www.patreon.com/buti'mnotatrader. As of right now, I am working on the website to migrate everything over. Right now, Patreon's about $10 a month. When I migrate everything over, it's going to be around $750. Also, quick poll. Would you guys prefer if I make a website or if I make a mobile application? What would be the better choice here for everybody? Would you prefer like an iPhone, like an iOS and Android app to have on your phone where you guys can keep track of, like, you know, I can consistently add other stuff, right? Or would you guys prefer a website? So just let me know down below in the comments if you guys prefer a website or if you guys prefer a mobile application for, you know, for like essentially my platform, right? Where I would move everything to and add more stuff, things like that. Again, Patreon's about $10 a month right now. Or not about, it is $10 a month. There's higher tiers. But when I migrate everything over, it's going to be roughly about $750 one-time payment. Anyways, very simple video. Yesterday, I was because we were so bullish, right? I told you guys yesterday that I wouldn't be surprised if this broke and we just like ridiculously pushed up to 430. Thankfully, that did not happen. Came down, you broke trend also, and then you're going to be closing a 16-hour bear trigger officially on the SPX in 1 hour, which is at 6 o'clock in the morning. So as of right now, my target by Friday is going to be roughly here. It's going to be roughly 414 because I think we have a gap there. So at least 415 is going to be my first target. Second target is going to be like the riskier target at 413ish, which is back here on this trend that started on May 4th, right? Which is this trend right here. And then third target is going to be down here at 406. Generally on these 16-hour triggers, you do go for 4 candles on average, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. On this candle that's going to be created here, right? On this candle, there's going to be 4 candles, right? I do expect this fourth candle to be somewhere in this range between 415 down to 413. And I do expect this to happen by Friday, June 1st. We are what? Today's Wednesday. So let me see. May 30th, May 31st, June 1st. Yeah, so I think Friday, June 1st, and then June 2nd. Is Friday June 2nd? What the heck? Today's Wednesday, June 2nd. Oh yeah, June 2nd. Yeah, so by June 2nd, I would not be, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, June 1st. So actually by tomorrow. So I do expect us to be 14. By end of day tomorrow, I do expect us at least to be back at like 415, 413, roughly around this area. Sorry, that's my work. If we do break this trend, I do expect us to drop all the way back to 405, 406. As of right now, I am more than likely just kind of chilling because I have puts for a long dated term for about a month and a half out. If anything, if we do come back to 415, I'll probably just roll out my puts for a longer date because I'm still bearish. Keep in mind, we are still on a weekly bear trigger, right? Still on a weekly bear trigger. Technically, this week if we would close a fresh bear, right? We would close a fresh trigger on the bear side. So as of right now, just kind of chilling. If we do close this fresh bear on Friday, I am still extremely bearish, right? As long as we're in the cycle, still bearish. Still think we can go all the way back down, which was my original target of 385. Again, unless we close an actual, here we go, like this, something like that. I don't know, maybe I'm getting the trend wrong, but something like this, right? Unless we get an actual bull cycle, like an actual bull trigger, I'm still bearish. And I've told you guys that plenty of times. So again, ultimate target would be here at like 385, 387. But that would probably not happen till like summer or something, right? And then we're also going to be closing a daily bear trigger again. So I am. So by Friday, I am fully expecting us to drop back to at least minimum like this 415, 416. And then after this target gets hit, I'm pretty sure there's a gap on SPY at 414. So I am expecting 414 by Friday. And then, you know, best case scenario for me, I'm expecting trend. And if that breaks, we're going back to like 406. So again, plenty of targets. I think first we got to see that 414 gap fill on SPY. So again, very simple TA. It broke trend. I think we're going to go down SPY. I have a lot of very short term. See, yesterday I was like looking at the 5 minute chart. See, we're at 418.16. Their gap here is at 414. So I think minimum we go there. I think we could also go all the way back down to 411 because there's another gap there. So really, it just depends on what's going on. And then the 4 hour, I'm pretty sure you're gonna close the 4 hour at 6:30, like at 10:30 in the morning. You're gonna close the 4 hour bear trigger more than likely. But yeah, all directions say down. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.